Hey guys, welcome back to Real Estate Informed, the channel that keeps you up to date on all things real estate. My name is Kevin, and today I want to do a follow-up video on who Biden selected. I did a video a couple days ago about Joe Biden actually changing the head of the Federal Reserve from Jerome Powell to somebody else. He was interviewing other people, and I said how that the effects of that in the real estate market. So just watch my last video about that. So today we actually yesterday, I'm just doing a follow-up video today. I was really busy yesterday, so today, and I'm still busy. As you can see, I'm parked in a parking lot right now in between meetings right now. So just quickly, I want to make this video and get it out. So Joe Biden did interview other people. I think the lady's name was Brainerd, which it actually wasn't really that big of a deal, because it turns out that she was very similar to Jerome Powell, and she was dovish, as people would say in the political realm, which means that she was, basically the same, believed in inflation, and believed that it was transitory and that they were going to taper. Same thing Jerome Powell believes. So anyways, Biden selected Jerome Powell, and my channel is all about real estate. So the effects of now on the economic standpoint and everything, basically everything remains the same. They're going to continue to taper. They said later this month, early December, they're going to start tapering. I said in previous videos they're not tapering. I doubt that they will taper. I think everything, because if they start tapering, they stop buying those bonds, yields increase, interest rates go up, real estate crashes, and obviously, other economic sides, there'll be a downturn. So right now, everything is back to, like, the stock market was kind of questioning who he was going to select, so it was going down. The stock market still, there's a lot of tech stocks that were overvalued that are coming down now. But for real estate's sake, it's the same situation that I've been telling for months now, that the peak of the market was third week of July of 2021, and we've been having a slight decline ever since. It's not going to fall off right off a cliff, but the Fed is saying that with Jerome Powell now, because if Biden would have selected somebody else, that would have put a huge, kink in what I've been saying for months now. But now that I know there's Jerome Powell, because someone might just come in, and whoever Biden hired to be the head of the Federal Reserve could have just came in and raised interest rates, and boom, caused a crash immediately. So what I'm saying is, if it's going to be Jerome Powell, basically what you're dealing with is the same scenario that I've been saying for videos. Go back and watch all my older videos. I say the exact same thing, which is they are not going to taper, because if they taper buying bonds, yields are going to go up, interest rates are going to go up, and there's going to be a crash. The way that they can kind of get around that is they might have interest rates go up a bit, but what they're going to start doing is dishing out 40-year mortgages, so it offsets the increase in interest rates, because you could do it for 10 more years. Trust me, they're going to try to kick the can down the road. So this is, and it's gonna be bad. So we'll see. Once they said later this month, which is, we're pretty much at the end of the month, early December, let's see if they stop buying bonds and they start to begin tapering, and we'll see what the result of that is. I doubt that. This is what's going to happen. Either one, they're not going to taper at all, and they're just bluffing to stimulate the economy. Because if you tell people who are like, there's deeper levels to like understanding of this, but the way that I want to, the best way that I can explain it is, if someone's ready to buy a $2 million home and you threaten them that, hey, interest rates are 3% now, but next month they're going to be 5%. What does that make that person do? That makes that person go out and buy a house now, whether they like it or not. It just makes them go out and buy a house now, because although it might not make that much of a difference in a $400,000 to $500,000 house, right? But in a $2 million house, it can make a significant difference in the mortgage that you pay monthly, whether it's 3% or 5%, 6%. So the rate really matters. So those people, so basically when you threaten them by saying that we're going to start tapering, that stimulates the economy. I think the Federal Reserve are professionals. They're playing mind games, and that's what they're doing. I don't think they're going to taper, but if they do taper, the real estate market will react instantaneously, and when it does react instantaneously, they're going to correct path again, or they're going to throw out 40-year versions I don't know why I keep 40-year mortgages. I don't know why I keep saying, because it's the movie 40-Year-Old Virgin with Steve Carell, like that. I don't know why that's in my head when I say 40-year mortgages. I don't know why I keep saying that. 40-year mortgage for whatever. Either way, so basically, that's what they're going to do to offset the increase in interest rates, because the market's going to react instantaneously. If they taper, the market's going to crash. They're going to correct automatically. They're going to stop the taper, or they're going to go do 40-year mortgages. So, and I did a video on 40-year mortgages too, so go watch that. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Please thumbs up, comments, share with your friends so that, we can get more people like us, talking about stuff like this rather than hyping up the market and just keep inflating this market even more. We need realists out there. I'm just a realist. I just say it how it is. I'm a real estate broker, investor. I do property management. I've done it all. So when it comes to that, I'm hands on. You know what I mean? We flip a house, we put it on the market. You know what I mean? We have a couple of houses every month that we finish on flips, and when we put them out on the market, I get the pulse of the market, and in the hottest Seattle area market there is, I get to see, hey, is the market really dropping? Because 3 months ago I was getting 20 offers, now I'm getting 10, now I'm getting 6, now I'm with 2 offers on a house that I would have gotten 20 offers from 6 months ago. So when you start to see that, that's when you realize, okay, wait a minute, I do have a pulse on the market. And people, the news stations and stuff, they all have their agendas. I don't have an agenda. Whether real estate goes up or real estate goes down, my whole motive is to just give you the truth and give it to you raw and just be direct with it. So if you like that, please thumbs it up, please share, and there'll be more content. So see you in the next one. All right, guys, thanks. Bye.